Hi everyone, this is Tingting. Welcome to our weekly problem solving practice. Let's see how to solve this question. The diagram shows the net of a cube and the number on each face. If each of the numbers 1207, x, y, and z equals the average of the numbers written on the four faces of the cube adjacent to it, find the value of x. First, let's look at how to use the average number 1207. Since 1207 is the average of the four numbers on the faces adjacent to it, the sum of these four numbers must be 1207 times 4. However, solving directly for three unknown numbers x, y, and z is not easy, so we need a simpler way to avoid that. Since we know the sum of the numbers on the four adjacent faces is 1207 times 4, and we also know two other numbers, 1207 and 1. We can work out the total of all six numbers, which is 1207 plus 1207 times 4 plus 1, which is 1207 times 5 plus 1. Next, let's use the average x. The face opposite x has a number 2011. So we can also work out the total of all the six numbers, which is x plus 4x, the sum of 1, y, 1207, and z, plus 2011, which equals 5x plus 2011. These two totals must be equal, right? So we can form an equation with only one unknown number, x, and we can solve it. So 5x plus 2011 equals 1207 times 5 plus 1. So 5x equals 1207 times 5 plus 1 minus 2011, which equals 1207 times 5 minus 2010. So both sides divided by 5. X equals 1207 times 5 minus 2010, then divided by 5, which equals 1207 minus 2010 divided by 5 equals 1027 minus 402. So x equals 805.